Today we learn the 5 main rooms in every house. Kitchen is where we cook food. Bedroom is where we sleep at night. Bathroom is where we wash our body. Living room is where the family sits together. Dining room is where we eat meals with family. Kitchen, say kitchen. The kitchen is the room where we cook food and prepare meals every day. We use stove, oven, and fridge in the kitchen. Say kitchen again. Kitchen sounds like kitchen. This is an important room in every home. Bedroom, say bedroom. The bedroom is where we sleep and rest at night. We keep our bed, clothes, and pillows in the bedroom. Say bedroom again. Bedroom sounds like bedroom. Every house has at least one bedroom. Bathroom, say bathroom. The bathroom is where we wash our hands, brush teeth, and take showers. We find sink, toilet, and bathtub in the bathroom. Say bathroom again. Bathroom sounds like bathroom. We use bathroom every morning. Living room, say living room. The living room is where the family relaxes together and watches television. We sit on sofa and chairs in the living room. Say living room again. This room is for family time and guests. Dining room, say dining room. The dining room is where we eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner as a family. We use table and chairs in the dining room. Say dining room again. Dining room sounds like dining room. Meals taste better here. Now learn kitchen words. Chair is where we sit in kitchen. Say chair. Door is the entrance to every room. Say door. Repeat chair, door. These words help you talk about the kitchen. Practice saying chair and door 3 times. More kitchen words. Fork is for eating food. Say fork. Knife is for cutting food. Say knife. Pot is for cooking soup. Say pot. Spoon is for soup and cereal. Say spoon. Repeat fork, knife, pot, spoon slowly. Bedroom words. Bed is where we sleep comfortably. Say bed. Mirror is where we see our face. Say mirror. Repeat bed, mirror. These words describe your bedroom. Say bed, mirror 3 times with clear voice. Bathroom words. Toothbrush is for cleaning teeth. Say toothbrush. Toilet is where we go to the bathroom. Say toilet. Repeat toothbrush, toilet. Practice these important words. Say each word 3 times clearly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.